What's up, YouTube? So I was planning to review these cups from McDonald's, which is the Lego movie. They are the Happy Meal right now. But look what just came in. It's Sengoku Astray Gundam. Pretty sweet. So yeah, just got this today. And this is my favorite Gundam from Build Fighters. I don't know if I'm gonna assemble him tonight or maybe some other time because I have some things to do, I guess. But this is Astray, I have to build him. And I also bought one pack of Bonkazals. So if you want to know which one I got, better watch my video. I attempted to upload the video of my opening here, but the internet is messing with me yesterday, so maybe it's still not uploaded yet. If not, I'm just gonna upload it, but if it is uploaded already, go check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video after I record this, and I'm gonna shoot the review for these guys, but I'm gonna upload them tomorrow or maybe 2 days after because I still have to edit them. Yeah, I still have to edit them, plus I have some stuff to do for college. So yeah, that's it for now, YouTube. Excited! Oh, I'm so excited!